So the halving is exactly here where blue turns red. And that is what I expect to happen in April 2024 again. The price will rise fast towards this new line at $532,000 Bitcoin.
In a recent video by PlanB, the popular analyst delved into the current Bitcoin market dynamics, leveraging 6 insightful charts. His key highlights included the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model, which intriguingly placed Bitcoin within one standard deviation of its predicted trajectory following a November closing price of $37,700. This marks a notable high, signaling a return to the model's projected range. He further covered the Bitcoin stock-to-flow trading rule, emphasizing a strategy of buying 6 months before and selling 18 months after halving, a tactic that has shown promising returns. Additionally, the use of the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for technical analysis was discussed, indicating a recovery from a bear market and a gradual shift towards a bull market phase. The analysis underscored the significance of the 200-week moving average and on-chain metrics, particularly the realized price, which currently sits below the actual Bitcoin price, historically a bullish precursor. PlanB showed an optimistic outlook towards the next Bitcoin halving and its potential impact on market dynamics. Let us now get into the video and see some of his takes, and also explore some predictions by other notable analysts in the space. As you watch, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your comments below.
So this is RSI, Relative Strength Index. It's a momentum indicator. It shows you bull markets, bear markets, greed, fear. You could say it shows you the human emotion. And that will not go away. There will always be greed. There will always be fear. So you see the bull markets, 2013, 2017, 21. And you see the bear markets. And we're just recovering from the latest bear market in 2022 and part of 23. Going towards the next bull market, in my opinion. And again, here the color overlay is the months until the next halving. So the halvings are where the blue dot turns into the red dot. Here at 70, RSI 70. Here it's at RSI 65, and here it's at 55. So historically, the halvings are in this range between 55 and 70 RSI. And mind you, everything above 50 is uptrend. So it means that we will, if that happens again, which is what I assume, we will rise, not like in a full-fledged bull market, but we will rise slowly towards the next red dot, the next halving. And so that's very interesting to see for the next couple of months.
The current landscape of Bitcoin is brimming with bullish sentiments, especially as we approach the next halving event in 2024. Recently, renowned analyst Kaleo projected that Bitcoin could reach as high as $45,000 in the early weeks of December, reflecting a robust upward trend. This projection resonates with the general market optimism as experts eye a potential rally towards $40,000 by the end of the year, and even bolder projections setting sights on $100,000 in 2024. Echoing this sentiment, Jeff Kendrick from Standard Chartered forecasts a surge to $100,000 for Bitcoin in 2024. This bullish outlook hinges on 3 pivotal factors: the anticipated dominance of Bitcoin over alternative coins, the influential Bitcoin halving in April 2024, and the potential introduction of the spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States, which could spark significant investor interest and market dynamics. In a recent development, Bitcoin bulls pushed the crypto to a 2023 high of $39,000 on Coinbase, indicating strong market momentum. Despite hawkish comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, financial markets, including Bitcoin, showed resilience and growth. This rally, starting at $37,800 and peaking at $39,000, signals bullish intent with an eye on the $40,000 marks. Supporting this trajectory, Dr. Profit anticipates Bitcoin climbing to $40,000 in the near term, suggesting a trading range between $38,500 and $48,000. This analysis aligns with the broader consensus among analysts who view Bitcoin as poised for further growth. Adding to this bullish narrative is the recent massive withdrawal of Bitcoin from exchanges, totaling $1.4 billion. This trend, initiated around November 17, reflects a strategic shift towards long-term holding and a decrease in selling pressure. Factors fueling this shift include the anticipation of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval and recent uncertainties within major cryptocurrency exchanges, notably Binance. These withdrawals are historically associated with local price lows and support medium-term price surges. Metricsport predicts a 90% probability of Bitcoin reaching $40,000 before the year ends and a potential climb to $63,000 by April 2024, preceding the highly anticipated halving event. The news regarding the ETF, combined with the upcoming halving event, is widely seen as a major catalyst that could propel Bitcoin to another record high. Nevertheless, some analysts posit that Bitcoin may receive a boost from an additional catalyst. Particularly, in a TradingView post on December 1, renowned crypto analyst Trading Shot suggested that Bitcoin might be on the verge of a significant global money supply rally, challenging traditional halving theory. Notably, the halving theory dictates that Bitcoin experiences important price rallies following each event. The potential Bitcoin rally, as per the analyst, is closely tied to two key indicators of the global money supply: Chinese bond yields and the Chinese yuan. The analysis examines the correlation between Bitcoin and these metrics, comparing them against the US dollar, US balance sheet, Chinese central bank balance sheet, and the European Central Bank's assets. According to Trading Shot, Bitcoin historically bottoms when the yuan trendline does, and its parabolic rally starts when the Chinese bond yield trendline hits a lower low. The current situation indicates an upward movement in the Chinese bond yield trendline after recently hitting a low. This is contrary to common belief in traditional halving theory, but according to the above monetary metrics, Bitcoin may just be starting a new parabolic rally much earlier than anticipated, he said. As we approach the next halving, these market indicators and strategic shifts among investors paint a bullish picture for Bitcoin. The combined effects of increased investor confidence, potential regulatory advancements, and market dynamics suggest a promising trajectory for Bitcoin as it heads toward unprecedented milestones. What do you think would be the Bitcoin price by the end of the year? We would like to hear your predictions below. Also, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.